I know I've talked about this a million times before, and most of you guys are probably getting annoyed and you're like, Tom, just lay off of it already. We know Nike makes mistakes, but no. They finally fixed the mistake. So like for the past 6-7 months, they've had Kyrie Irving up on their big advertisement board for the store. They finally changed it to someone playing tennis and Paul George and Neymar kicking a side. Good job, Nike. Only took you 6 months to fix it. Today it is Super Bowl Sunday, so I'm imagining most of you guys are pretty excited for the game. I have a large viewership in the States. Here in Canada, people get excited for the game too. Oh my goodness, everyone in Minneapolis. That was close. I told you it was windy. My camera literally just got blown off the top of my car, but everyone in Minneapolis, be super thankful today that your new stadium is indoors, because this is like the windiest day of the year. I live pretty close to Minneapolis, like a 6-hour drive. I know that's not super close, but the weather is usually pretty similar, and it is just freezing today. Lots of you guys have been asking about this Tommy Hilfiger jacket, where I got it, when I got it. I got it at the Tommy Hilfiger store a couple days ago. It was like literally a situation of me walking past the Tommy Hilfiger store and being like, whoa, hold up. I did a hard double take, went into the store, checked it out. The jacket was freaking 30% off. I got it for like $70. I think it looks pretty dope. It's like definitely really retro, big colored panels. I really like it. But guys, let me know who you think's gonna win the Super Bowl today. I'm actually really curious. Hi, can I get 3 junior chickens, 2 apple pies, and a large Coke, please?
That's everything?
Yep. When it gets this cold out in winter, and almost anyone that lives in a cold climate will agree, like, you just don't want to be active. You don't want to leave the house, and when you do leave the house, you want to leave the house to get something to be as fat and lazy as you possibly can, which is why I'm at McDonald's today. The whole too cold to go outside and do anything is like a real thing. I was talking with Matt about it earlier this week, and he's like, dude, when it's this cold outside, I want to sleep in till noon, and I don't want to get up, and I don't want to, it is bad. Call it seasonal affective disorder, call it whatever the heck you want to call it. But when it's so cold outside that your feet freeze and your hands freeze within like a minute of you going outside, and your skin feels like it's gonna I hate it when it's this cold outside. It's terrible. So to counteract that terribleness, I decided to come through McDonald's and just buy an incredibly unhealthy lunch to pig out on.
Right. Oh, okay, if you get one, it starts to violate the list. And the more you practice doing that, the more you, the next one acts so that you can tell the truth. But I think we're the physical.
And here we are, we got the shoes. I was at the Nike outlet the other day. Shout out to McDonald's. So unhealthy but so delicious on a day like this. I was at the Nike outlet the other day, and I went there in the morning. I just wanted to look, see what they had, and they had something that I was very surprised to see and that I've always wanted to get, but I've never seen for the right price, and they were for the right price. They were $60 American, $75 Canadian. Amazing price for this pair of shoes, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try this out. I'm gonna pick this up. This is something I don't have in my collection. It's an OG pair of Jordans. and it's 60 bucks. So I'm gonna scoop them, and that is exactly what it is. First off, let me say the box on these looks absolutely amazing. This is like the best box in my collection. I wanna buy more shoes that come in this box, Nike. Nike, just put all of your shoes in this box, like this classic orange with this big Nike and just the classic branding with the liftable top. It's great. I love this box. I don't know why, but this box is just amazing. So what is this pair of shoes, you may ask? This is a pair of Jordan 1s, but not any Jordan 1. This is a pair of original Jordan 1 variants called the AJKO. Now the AJKO is really, really cool. It is a canvas version of the Jordan 1. I probably should have looked at this pair before I bought it. There's a little bit of dirt on here. It looks like someone tried them on in the store. Whatever, it's all good. This is a canvas pair of Jordan 1s. Now these came out in the shadow colorway, I believe around a year and a half ago. And the shadow colorway of the real Jordan 1s is coming out this year. So I thought this was a very fitting time to pick this up, get a little bit ahead of the game on the shadow colorway of the Jordan 1s. And these things are just super clean, super fresh, but it's something that I've never really wanted to spend full retail on. Like, they're not a cheap shoe. I think they retail for 190 Canadian, I think 140 US, which is still a lot of money for a pair of shoes that you know is just gonna go on sale. But this is great. So all of this, all of this, all of this, all of this is all a canvas. It is a thick, thick fabric canvas. The swoosh is a fake leather. The heel here is a fake leather. The black part underneath of the wing is a fake leather, and it does come with some extra gray laces as well. But all of this is canvas, which is crazy. So that means it's gonna be a little bit of a different feel than your regular Jordan 1. It's gonna wear a little bit differently. It's gonna break down a little bit differently. It's gonna crease a little bit differently, but I think it's a great little switch. And something really cool about the Jordan 1 KO, the AJKO, is that instead of saying Air Jordan up here on the wings, it says AJKO, which is something I thought was great. I mean, like, I'm not gonna give you a full, this is gray, this is black, this is black, this is white, because we can see it, but I am gonna grab a pair of Jordan 1s just to show you, because there is a little bit of a shape difference on them. Might as well grab this pair right here. This is the Celtics Jordan 1s. I don't have the regular shadows, as I said, because they are coming out later this year, and I don't know why I would want to spend $300, $400, $500, $600 on a pair of shadow 1s when they're just releasing and I can get them for $160. But wow. So you can see the shape is a little bit different. These sit a little bit higher, the toe box is a little bit bigger. The outsole is also different, as you can tell. Here's the difference on the outsole. So this is more of a Nike Vandal outsole, while this is the classic Jordan 1 outsole that you're used to. I mean, it's not crazy different, but you can definitely see differences on the two outsoles. First off, the green right here, the bottom, the actual rubber outsole is a lot thicker on this pair, and the midsole is a little bit less thick. While on this one, the midsole is a little bit thicker, and the black rubber piece on the actual outsole is a little bit less thick. The toe is a lot more boxy than the Jordan 1. It's a lot more taller than the Jordan 1. Just the shoe is a little bit beefier, more chunky, more boxy than your typical Jordan 1. Lots of people think that Jordan 1s look boxy. Jordan 1s are actually a very minimalistic shoe. Once you actually put them on feet and wear them with a tapered or fitted pair of jeans, they don't look boxy in the slightest. These things are going to look a little bit more boxy in my opinion. I love this colorway, just black, gray, really can't get more simple than that, and I think it is a great pair of kicks to just throw on, you know, a lazy day. You don't want to wear something crazy, but you want to wear something fresh. I think this is going to be a perfect pair of shoes for that. So I'm going to leave you right here with the on-foot look. Have a great rest of your Super Bowl Sunday. I hope you guys enjoy. Hit that like button if you have. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you are not already, and I will see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Peace.